90s is back. So what were the main influences of 90s which are back? So let's check out. Hi everyone, welcome back to Creations. Today we will talk about the revival of 90s fashion in this era. इस वीडियो को शायद वो लोग रिलेट कर सकें जिन्होंने 90s को जिया है. मैं तो उतना नहीं कर पाऊँगी because I was born in 90s, so I was very small to remember anything at that time. But there is a comeback of 90s fashion. Even Cosmopolitan and Vogue have mentioned about it. So I did a research on this topic, and as well as required information and knowledge from my mom, and decided to make a video on this. Hope that you will like the video, and if you really like the video, then do hit the like button. So first let's talk about the styles. So first style was oversized. 90s gave us a new trend called oversized fashion. Wearing loose was no more a sin in that era, and it had made a comeback now. Whether it is oversized t-shirt or an oversized shirt, it is as stylish as those body hugging ones, as well as comfortable too. The next trend in 90s inspired fashion is plaid, or in India what we call it checkered. We couldn't forget the iconic yellow plaid from Clueless. This plaid / checkered is back in this era also. Olivia Palermo spotted her own take on the trend in Milan. The next trend in 90s inspired fashion trend is t-shirt with a blazer. Wearing a t-shirt with blazer was a go-to-go look in 90s. This look is a very classic look and is even spotted in this era. The next trend in 90s inspired fashion trends is crop top. Crop top was a must-have in 90s. This was an essential fashion item for ladies living in 90s and are on trend once again. Even cropped t-shirts are also on trend. Next is leggings. 90s style can't be imagined without leggings, and this era style also can't be imagined without leggings. The next trend is a very popular trend, and that trend is the trend of leather jackets. Leather jackets' popularity can be seen from the movie The Matrix. In this movie, the character of Keanu Reeves, which was Neo, was wearing a long leather coat, which can be associated with goth fashion, which was popular in 90s. A shorter form of this jacket was seen on Winona Ryder and Kate Moss. This classic style is even cool today. Now let's talk about denims. 90s was all about denims. So what was popular in 90s in denims which is still popular today? High-waisted. Jeans with a high waist, which was popular in 90s, have come back in this era as opposed to the low-rise trend that was popular throughout 2000s. This include acid-washed jeans, ripped or destroyed jeans, and mom's jeans. Other than denim bottoms, we can see denim overalls coming back from 90s, as well as denim vest and denim jackets. We can even see denim lovers in denim from head to toe. This style is called double denim or denim on denim. Now let's talk about the footwear trends of 90s which have made a comeback. First one is platforms. Platform of 90s have made a comeback and can be seen in shoes, sneakers, boots, and sandals. Buffalo platforms got popularized in 90s. Adidas slides. In 90s, it was difficult to find anyone who didn't own these slides, and now they have been spotted on models from Gigi Hadid to Suki Waterhouse. Even Gucci has also come up with slides in sporty styles. Combat boots. Combat boots, specifically Dr. Martens, were the footwear trend of the 90s, popularized by grunge scene of decade. हम ग्रंज के बारे में इस वीडियो में आगे बात करेंगे. These combat boots are on the go. Now let's talk about accessories. First, chokers. 90s inspired choker necklaces featuring black or red leather, lace, velvet, beads, silver chain link, artificial diamonds, Swarovski crystals, and tattoo chokers have returned to popularity. Drew Barrymore was seen in 93 in choker necklace, and in this era we have spotted Taylor Swift, Kim Kardashian, Kendall and Kylie Jenner and Gigi Hadid in choker necklaces. Christian Siriano Fall 2020 collection have featured chunky leather and chain chokers. Butterfly clips. People who have lived 90s can relate themselves as how they were so much obsessed with butterfly clips in their hair. Even Britney Spears paired them one on each side. Olsen twins also used them in a scattered look. Butterfly clips have made a revival. Scrunchies. जो लोग 90s में स्कूल गए हैं वो लोग जानते होंगे कि ये 90s स्कूल डेज की कितनी पॉपुलर हेयर एक्सेसरी थी. These were worn with a ponytail, bun or pigtails. Their trend have returned. Claw clips. In 90s, these claw clips were ultimate chick hair accessories. Jennifer Aniston's character Rachel Green in Friends भी claw clips की fan थी. Now this trend was spotted at Alexander Wang's Fall Winter 18 show. Mini backpacks. This accessory was made famous by Cher Horowitz and her squad in the 90s teen film Clueless. इस फिल्म के बारे में मैंने पहले भी इस वीडियो में प्लैट ट्रेंड में बात की है. ये फिल्म उस टाइम की बहुत ही ट्रेंडी फिल्म थी. Now the mini backpacks are back and even smaller than ever. Bucket hats. Bucket hats were popularized by hip hop community in 90s. हम hip hop trend के बारे में वीडियो में आगे बात करते हैं. Some may argue that bucket hats introduced rappers to the world of headwear. There were many embracing styles of bucket hats on album covers and in music videos. Now they appeared at Lacoste's Fall Winter 2018 show in Paris. Even Rihanna broadcasted her love for bucket hats. Now let's talk about fashion influences of 90s which have got revived. The first and the most loved fashion influence is grunge. This trend got popularized from grunge music. Revival of 90s grunge fashion in this era, which include denim ripped jeans, ripped jackets, flannels, especially flannel shirts, animal print coats, layered slip dresses, printed t-shirts, baggy t-shirts, combat boots, स्पेशली डॉक मार्टन्स जिसके बारे में हम पहले बात कर चुके हैं इस वीडियो में, बाइकर बूट्स एंड लेदर जैकेट्स इसके बारे में भी हम लोग पहले बात कर चुके हैं. इट वॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेवर्ड लुक्स ऑफ द डेकेड. In recent seasons, the return of grunge style to popularity has been evident on the street and the runway. Its comeback can be credited to Steve Pepys, a fashion designer from Boston. The next influence is hip hop. In 90s, if people were not of grunge style, then they were probably of hip hop style. Retro 90s hip hop fashion was acid wash jeans, denim overalls, you can say denim everywhere, bucket hats, dad hats, boots of Timberland got popularized in hip hop, leather jackets. I have talked so much about leather jackets in this video. Leather jackets 90s में एकदम छाए हुए थे और फिर से छा गए हैं. I think I should go and grab one in winters. इस सीज़न में तो पहन नहीं सकते. इस लुक में स्पॉटी डिटेल्स हुआ करती थीं, लाइक बेसबॉल जैकेट्स, वार्सिटी जैकेट्स एट्सेट्रा. Hip hop stars were icons of this style. Will Smith's character from The Fresh Prince of Bel Air is an example of the classic hip hop style of the 90s. Hip hop fashion have made a comeback. So, these were some of the 90s fashion trends which are back in this era. Which trend of the 90s comeback was your favorite? Do write the trend which you found the coolest in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Share this video with your family and friends. Take care. See you all soon in the next video. Bye.